I am reviewing the JIUYIN 8.1-inch portable motorcycle dashboard from AliExpress. It brings wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto to your bike, with voice control through Siri and Google Assistant for calls, music, maps, and messages. The touchscreen is clear and responsive, and the system uses Linux for smooth operation. Wireless connectivity works through Bluetooth and wireless internet, so there are no messy cables on your handlebars. You also get a 2K recorder camera at 1440p for on-road footage. For durability, the unit is listed with IPX8 and IP67 waterproof protection. Mounting is simple with a suction cup, and there is no drilling required. Power input supports 12 volts, with a maximum of 15.5 volts. Do not connect the product directly to the motorcycle or electric bike battery. Use a regulated accessory harness to avoid short circuits and power issues. If pairing fails on Apple CarPlay, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, Delete Devices and reconnect. On Android Auto, open Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, clear cache, and clear all data, then reconnect. If you want this JIUYIN motorcycle display, check the AliExpress link in first comment.